that in most theatres, it's a dark room, it's a cavernous cavity, and people come in and operate from the early hours to the late evening without knowing what is it day, is it night. So in all of the theatres that we build, we now put in windows, so that actually theatre staff can appreciate, is it the morning, is it the afternoon, is it the late evening.